Hello student, this is a third lecture on minerals and energy resources. In this chapter, previous two period you discuss about the different minerals and its classification. Just in few minutes you have to take the revision of the point what you studied in two periods. You saw the different minerals it is found in our country and its distribution of the in our country. It includes the zinc, gold, nickel. In this way, manganese. The previous period we discussed the classification of this mineral in four categories. These minerals are categories. These categories are the ferrous mineral, non-ferrous mineral, the non-metallic mineral, rocks. These are the classification of the mineral. Now, the previous period you discussed the ferrous minerals. Now, discuss in detail the non-ferrous minerals and its characteristics. See the non-ferrous mineral. Which are the non-ferrous mineral and what are the characteristics of the non-ferrous mineral? What are the non-ferrous mineral? Non-ferrous minerals is any mineral that does not contain iron in appropriate amount. It means that in non-ferrous mineral does not having the appropriate the iron. Generally, these are the more expensive than the ferrous metals. And non-ferrous metals are used because of desirable properties. Which are the desirable properties contained in non-ferrous mineral? In non-ferrous mineral contains the low weight such as aluminium, and it has the higher connectivity such as copper. It has the higher connectivity and non-magnetic properties, that is zinc. Some non-ferrous materials are used in the iron and steel industries. For example, bauxite is used as a flux for blast, while others also used in making the ferrous alloys. Now, will be discuss one by one the copper ore. What is the use of this copper ore and what are the characteristics of this copper ore? India is critically deficient in the reserve and production of the copper. It means that in India the copper is found less with compared to the ferrous mineral. It has a good conductor, it has a good quality of the conductors, and the copper is mainly used in electrical cable, electronics and chemical industries. This copper is found in Balaghat mine at Madhya Pradesh, Khetri mines in Rajasthan, and Subham Singham Bhum districts of Jharkhand. In this area, the copper is generally produced. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. These three districts you will be found the copper. Now we will take the another non-ferrous mineral, that is bauxite. The bauxite contains the aluminium. It is form of bauxite. A clay-like substance that alumina and later aluminum is obtained. And bauxite decompose are formed by the decomposition of wide variety of the rocks rich in aluminium, and India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Amarkantak Plateau, Malakal Hill and the region of Balaspur, Katni, and in 2009 and 2010 it is reported that the bauxite was largely produced in Odisha. Odisha was the largest bauxite producing state in India with 34.97% of the country's total production in 2009 and 10. In this way, in this period we discuss the non-ferrous minerals, and last period we discussed the ferrous minerals. Now we conclude that the distinguish between ferrous and non-ferrous mineral, and afterwards distribution of this mineral in our country. Before that, we discuss about the distinguish between ferrous and non-ferrous mineral. See, the distinguish between ferrous and non-ferrous mineral. The ferrous minerals. What are the characteristics of the ferrous mineral? In ferrous minerals, metallic minerals containing iron are called the ferrous mineral. It means in this mineral having the iron is called the ferrous mineral. Other hand, non-ferrous minerals, metallic minerals that contain metals other than iron is known as the non-ferrous mineral. In ferrous mineral, they account for the about 3/4 of the total value of production of metallic mineral in India. Other hand, India's reserve and production of non-ferrous mineral is not very satisfactory. It has a limited production in our country, non-ferrous mineral. And the examples of the ferrous mineral: iron ore, manganese, nickel, cobalt. These are the few examples of the ferrous mineral. It is found in our country in abundant. In India has the rich in ferrous mineral, but in non-ferrous mineral India having the low production. Non-ferrous are copper, bauxite, gold are the examples of the non-ferrous mineral. Now, just to discuss about the ferrous and non-ferrous mineral, you have to check at home. This is the activity. The ferrous and non-ferrous mineral distribution on the screen. You have to see the political map of India and find out the ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Very important. Ferrous minerals and non-ferrous mineral. The ferrous minerals and non-ferrous mineral in India. Now see, these are the symbols used to show on the map. Bauxite, manganese, iron, mines, mica, and it is where it is found in our country, it is shown on this map. The remaining part will discuss, continue the next period. Thank you. God bless you.